How to log into cPanel account. So if you want to log into cPanel account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for cPanel. And then go for the login, which is here under the cPanel.net, so that it will directly take you to the login page. And here to log into your cPanel, you need to first enter your cPanel email address, which you have used to create your account. So enter your email address and then enter your account password. Make sure to enter the correct password, and if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which is here on the bottom left, and you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and click on login. And once you click on login, if your information credentials or if your login credentials are correct, then you'll be logged into your account on cPanel. So that's how you can log into your cPanel ID or cPanel account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.